Stop.
Stop. Vehicles must come to a complete halt.
Stop.
Stop. Slow down.
Slow down.
Reduce speed and drive carefully. Slow down.
Slow down.
Give way.
Give way.
Allow other vehicles to pass first. Give way.
Give way.
Slippery road.
Slippery road.
The road may be slippery. Drive with caution. Slippery road.
Slippery road.
No entry.
No entry.
Entry is not allowed on this road. No entry.
No entry.
No parking.
No parking.
Parking is prohibited in this area. No parking.
No parking.
Falling rocks.
Falling rocks.
Beware of rocks falling from above. Falling rocks.
Falling rocks.
No overtaking.
No overtaking.
Do not overtake other vehicles here. No overtaking.
No overtaking.
No motorcycles.
No motorcycles.
Motorcycles are not allowed. No motorcycles.
No motorcycles.
No bicycles.
No bicycles.
Bicycles are not allowed. No bicycles.
No bicycles.
No buses.
No buses.
Buses are not permitted on this road. No buses.
No buses.
No pedestrians.
No pedestrians.
Pedestrians are not allowed to enter. No pedestrians.
No pedestrians.
Pedestrian crossing.
Pedestrian crossing.
Pedestrians may cross the road here. Pedestrian crossing.
Pedestrian crossing.
Children crossing.
Children crossing.
Children may be crossing the road. Children crossing.
Children crossing.
School crossing.
School crossing.
School zone, watch out for students crossing. School crossing.
School crossing.
Ahead only.
Ahead only.
Vehicles can only move straight ahead. Ahead only.
Ahead only.
Left turn, ahead.
Left turn ahead.
A left turn is coming up. Left turn, ahead.
Left turn ahead.
Right turn ahead.
Right turn ahead.
A right turn is coming up. Right turn ahead.
Right turn ahead.
No right turn.
No right turn.
Turning right is prohibited. No right turn.
No right turn.
No left turn.
No left turn.
Turning left is prohibited. No left turn.
No left turn.
U-turn ahead.
U-turn ahead.
A U-turn is ahead. U-turn ahead.
U-turn ahead.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
Making a U-turn is not allowed. No U-turn.
No U-turn.
No horn.
No horn.
Honking is not allowed in this area. No horn.
No horn.
Speed limit.
Speed limit.
Maximum speed allowed is specified. Speed limit.
Speed limit.
End of speed limit.
End of speed limit.
End of the restricted speed zone. End of speed limit.
End of speed limit.
No stopping.
No stopping.
Vehicles cannot stop at any time. No stopping.
No stopping.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Vehicles must turn left. Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Vehicles must turn right. Turn right.
Turn right.
Roundabout ahead.
Roundabout ahead.
A roundabout is coming ahead. Roundabout ahead.
Roundabout ahead.
Traffic signals ahead.
Traffic signals ahead.
Traffic lights are ahead. Be prepared. Traffic signals ahead.
Traffic signals ahead.
Road work.
Road work.
Road construction or maintenance is ahead. Road work.
Road work.
Tunnel ahead.
Tunnel ahead.
A tunnel is coming up. Drive carefully. Tunnel ahead.
Tunnel ahead.
Curve ahead.
Curve ahead.
A curve is ahead on the road. Curve ahead.
Curve ahead.
Winding road ahead.
Winding road ahead.
The road has several curves ahead. Winding road ahead.
Winding road ahead.
Double bend.
Double bend.
Two bends are ahead. Drive carefully. Double bend.
Double bend.
Crossroads.
Crossroads.
A crossroad junction is ahead. Crossroads.
Crossroads.
Wild animals.
Wild animals.
Animals may cross the road. Wild animals.
Wild animals.
Road narrows.
Road narrows.
The road ahead becomes narrow. Road narrows.
Road narrows.
Narrow bridge.
Narrow bridge.
A narrow bridge is ahead. Narrow bridge.
Narrow bridge.
Divided highway.
Divided highway.
The road will split into a divided highway. Divided highway.
Divided highway.
Hump.
Hump.
A speed bump is ahead. Hump.
Hump.
Uneven road.
Uneven road.
The road surface is uneven. Uneven road.
Uneven road.
Yield.
Yield.
Give way to other vehicles. Yield.
Yield.
Snow ahead.
Snow ahead.
Snow may be present on the road. Snow ahead.
Snow ahead.
Dead end street.
Dead end street.
The road ends ahead, no exit. Dead end street.
Dead end street.
One-way traffic.
One-way traffic.
Traffic flows in only one direction. One-way traffic.
One-way traffic.
Two-way traffic ahead.
Two-way traffic ahead.
Two-way traffic begins ahead. Two-way traffic ahead.
Two-way traffic ahead.
Steep descent.
Steep descent.
A steep downhill road is ahead. Steep descent.
Steep descent.
Steep ascent.
Steep ascent.
A steep uphill road is ahead. Steep ascent.
Steep ascent.
Road closed.
Road closed.
The road is closed, no entry allowed.